Forget everything you think you know about AI video generation, because we're throwing Kling AI and Midjourney into the ring to see which visual powerhouse reigns supreme. First up, Kling AI. Notice the sleek and intuitive interface. We'll start by entering our text prompt. The key here is to be descriptive. Think about the scene, the camera angle, and the mood. Now, hit generate and let Kling AI work its magic. The processing time will vary depending on the complexity of your prompt. Observe the generated video, pay close attention to the motion, the details, and the overall coherence. Next, we move on to Midjourney, which lives within Discord. This requires joining their server. Again, we type in our imagine prompt followed by a detailed description of our desired video output. Midjourney gives us 4 image variations. Now, upscale your favorite image. After that, you'll need to use third-party software like Pica Labs or Caber to animate it into a video. It is more complex than Kling AI. And finally, the Faceoff. Kling AI excels at direct video creation from text. Midjourney, partnered with other software, offers more stylistic control but requires extra steps. Both platforms are constantly evolving, so keep exploring.